yazi, as a professional Zimbabwean, ne, I'm giving a review now about being a Zimbabwean. Ukuthi yazi, I feel like ukuthi one of the most annoying things, in my opinion, yeah, is ukuthi Zimbabweans, we've just become that nation that somehow it's okay for abantu ukuthi bastelele nje. Like, as in, if anyone feels like they want to disrespect a nation, it's so easy to pick on ukudelela Zimbabweans. Yabo. I feel like as into yakhona iyanginyanyisa, and I understand laba bantu ukuthi when they go to other countries and whatnot, they denounce ubuZimbabwean babo. Yabo. I've done it too several times. Ukuthi umuntu, they assume whatever they assume, I don't correct. Yabo. You know, there's this whole thing of like, especially the South Africa and Zimbabwe, because the main one anyway. Yabo, there's this certain thing, South Africans look like this, Zimbabweans look like this. So even in spaces, where I go, you'd find umuntu, because my name Mukaya, ngikhuluma isiNdebele, and angazi ukuthi ngi light skinned or isidudla, I don't know. There's this general assumption that I must be South African. Uyabo. And I never correct people because somehow when you tell someone ukuthi uyi Zimbabwean, that's when they decide whether to respect you or disrespect you, whether to set their tone to something different or something whatever. Because yes, you say you're from Zimbabwe, people automatically create this story about you in their minds. You understand? They assume, like minane. Yes, I've gone through struggles of my own, like everyone in life. But I didn't grow up poor. Yabo, I didn't grow up struggling. Gangago. You understand? Even when I made the decision to leave Zimbabwe and go to Europe, I wasn't struggling. At the time I made that decision to leave, I left due to, yes, of course, economic reasons when you're thinking about the future, but I was not starving. I could still eat. I was driving. I was working. I had a good job. But I left because of whatever personal reasons that I had. But okay, you're here, and the moment you open your mouth, there's this whole, oh, okay, so uzenga asala. Oh, okay, I'm sure ne? Because they assume ukuthi every Zimbabwean uqale wathi Zimbabwe wachapha waya sebenza eSouth Africa for a while and then wadlula waya ngale because somehow I don't sound Zimbabwean enough kumbe I don't look Zimbabwean enough. Yabo. And ukhangela ukuthi there's this kulo ngama jokes lokho kunyanyisayo that I don't even understand why people say them, and they've said it to my face, or they think it's okay when they say it. Uzumuntu ethi, "Hayi wena you and your friends, hayi ngama Zimbabweans anganukiyo." What the fuck kind of shit is that? What the fuck kind of nonsense? Fine, I don't date Zimbabweans. Yes, for my personal reasons. You understand? And it's quite unfortunate that I've always dated foreign people. You understand? By foreign people, into foreign from Zimbabwe. We are born. And once you talk to the majority of Zimbabwean, they've got this fucking baba comfortable. But so we know when I'm calling my siblings. I was talking to him. He was with his sister, and usisi wakhe nguye match. And this guy was just like, oh, I'm dating a Zimbo chick, blah blah blah. So she talks to me on the phone, and then tell me why this woman says to me, oh, we are bleacher. Really? Because I'm Zimbabwean. Because in Zimbabwe we don't have light-skinned people, and only in South Africa we go my yellow bone. Oh, because Zimbabwean, you think was skinny. There's no food. You must be from a different country. As sometimes why Zimbabwean, it's just, I find it hard to be proudly Zimbabwean. Because I always feel like even in international spaces we have to work twice as hard to be respected and recognized. Jabo. It's just, yes, we have Vula online. The hate that's there for Zimbabwe. Jehovah. Yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangisesila ukhuluma indaba yokuthi kumadima kangakanani kuba iZimbabwean lehlala eSouth Africa, uthi ma-South Africans the moment nje ukhuluma indaba ukuthi wena you are from Zima, baqala bakubuke ngalenye iliso, baqale bangakuhloniphe, bakugzelele. Uthi njena yena ukuthi Zim bekahlupheka ubeka right nje nakasuswanga futhi ezimi ukuthi uyahlupheka, but bantu lana they always assume ukuthi if we foreign it means country yakho bowuhlupheka. So uyasho nje ukuthi bantu bahlala bambuta ukuthi uyableach yini because she's light in complexion. So according to South Africans kusho ukuthi ma-South Africans athi if you are from Zim akumele ube mhlophe, bonke abantu basezim njena ba-dark skinned yini. So uyasho nokuthi like the moment nje ukhuluma indzaba yokuthi wena we are from Zim, bantu baqale bakuzelele bakubuke nangalinye iliso lelingekho right, uthi nje lokho akumphathi kahle ngibantu bala South Africa, the way ba-acta ngakhona towards ma-Zimbabwean, the way bane-hate ngakhona towards ma-Zimbabweans ke sana. Hayibo, do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.